So this is my website. In my website, to indexing purpose, how to give access by the Google Search Console for multiple users. So if I'm updating the content, I'm admin. I have so many people updating my content to my website. How do we can index? How do we can index? The index will be we can access from Google Search Console for multiple users. So that is purpose. Go to google.com/webmasters. Click for sign in. I'm selecting for another email already. Is an email person. Copy. How many websites are there? Only 2. Any South News is there? No. Come into this. Select your South News. Now, click for where? Settings. Here, users and permission. Users and permissions. There's nothing but I can permission for the multiple users. And permission will be 2. Full rights and 50% ads. So there's nothing but restrictions compulsory will be there. Full and off. So select here, add user, select by Gmail, and give the full and restrictions compulsory. So in this will be 100% or 50%. So which is comfortable by, I'll give the full rights. Now click for add. So added here. After that, select here. Previous how many sites? 2. Now I can refresh. Now will be 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now is a here. Is it clear? And this person also you can give access to n number of users. Settings, ownership, and you can build your verification. It is order showing for your owner options. So this will be submit here or the remove property. Before that, you can see this one, full and restrictions. See this. Is it clear? So you can give access to anyone. What option is called? You can update by the HTML file. So verify. For showing for verified unsuccessfully. So only admin can access by the n number of users. So I'll give access to this one here. So what's showing for this all option? When it is verified, he can give access to n number of users. But this person only access the total websites. Only access the total website, but he not give any access to any users. Is it clear? So this is one. When coming to a setting, if you come into here, so I can give access. They will give any access here? No. When it's verified, you can give access any user. But prime admin, they can access the n number of users. So previous one admin we can give to multiple admin. They create by multiple admins. But recently they're changing for option. We can give access to only for main admin. We can give to access by n number of. If they give the another admin to number of access, they verify the HTML file. So that is called in your cPanel we have the multiple HTML files are there. That is called created by the multiple owners. There are multiple owners. So that is the main thing. So there is a drawback for only can admin can give access to the number of admin access. This is a main primer admin. Remain all admins called we can access by full except access and permission to the another admin. Is it clear? This is a very important syntax. So that is will be very important thing. I'll give access by full and in here. And when access will be given, if you're not interested, remove by your access also. Remove by access also. Anytime will be add, anytime will be remove also. These are very important to access multiple users. But primary owner will be only one. If you need another primary owner to verify HTML file, mandatory. To verify HTML file will be mandatory. Suppose they will accept after condition. No need for HTML file. Is it clear? But any primary owner, to create another primary owner, the primary owner required for HTML file verification. This is a new update for Google Search Console.